If you really want to speak in English, and even after practicing years and years, you are not in a position to speak English well, then what are the required changes that you need to make in the pattern that you have made for yourself for learning English communication skill, and you are practicing in the same pattern for years? However, you can't speak in English. Then what are those required changes that you need to make in the pattern? First of all, you need to step out of your comfort zone and to take some concrete steps. Then what are those steps? We are going to discuss in this video, and if you are really serious, don't skip the video. Watch it till end, because I am sure this video is going to be very, very beneficial for you. First of all, we must understand that English communication is a skill that we need to learn. And to improve this, we need to practice it continuously. Some people, besides speaking, physically speaking, they are solving lots of exercises on English grammar. They are enriching their vocabulary. They have memorized a large number of words, but they are not using these words. They are not even trying to speak, and they are dreaming that one day they will be very fluent in English speaking. Then how? We must think on it. If you are not trying to speak English, then how will you perfect in it? So the first thing needed here is, besides doing lots of exercises, lots of doing written work, you need to physically speak with your tongue, with your mouth. And the next thing that I need to share with you today is, try to keep yourself more and more with those people, in the company of those people who used to speak in English. And by God, this step is very, very beneficial, and it is very effective. And speak in English. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. And why to be afraid of making mistakes before making them?